Welcome to Aquatics Live YouTube channel.
Alright guys, I did a little recording outside and that will be right in front of this video. Step is here, I got all the bearings installed, and like my plan here of using the clutch with a little bit of oil in the bottom here. So I left that one uncovered. I removed those seals ahead of time for these since they're going to be hard to get into them with this ring around here. But I left these, so I'm going to do those real quick. For the video. It's pretty easy how to get them out of there. You just take a really small flat tip screwdriver, get the edge of it poked in there kind of deep, and slowly pry up on that seal. Once you get underneath the edge of it good, then you can pop it up. So there we go. So that one's out. Do the same with this one. Sometimes they're a little bit tough to get out. Oh, that one is not wanting to come out there. There we go. Alright, and the ones I'm using, these are Timken 6202 2RSs. I also have, what was the other ones I had? Another one that I had is these RB Tech Premium. The reason why I had these in the first place is for like lawn mowers and stuff like that. Some of the decks use these, so I have had some of them ahead of time from working on my mower anyway, so that came in handy. I will have to order some more spares because I like to have at least enough to do all the spindles on the lawnmower. Anyway, okay, so all the bearings now, the seals are off on the inside of the case, and then I'm going to go ahead and assemble it. This is the little clutch where the star nut goes, so that would go this way. So drop that in that hole, and then our crank. Oh boy, the end that has so this side's going to have the magneto in it, so that would be this, so that's got to face up. Drop that in there. Okay, so we got those in. That seems to be working pretty good. Alright, now the gasket that I got, it's pretty this is new. I got it, and it's already looking pretty rough, and it doesn't fit very good on here. So it seems to be a little small on the inner edge here, and where this little lip is on here that they meet together. That's going to interfere with that. So I was planning on using a combination of the ultra copper in this, but I'm just going to go with just the ultra copper now. Actually, let me pull these back out, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on here. This side, there's no threads on this side. They're all on this side of the case except for these two holes. So came up with an idea for that, is I'm just going to put some little Q-tips in those holes for right now. And I'm actually just going to put them in there. I know it's going to probably still get in there, but when I pull them out, it should pull out the RTV with it. So, and I'm just going to put it on with my finger. So whatever, if somebody wants to shoot me for that. Yeah, and all these other holes, we'll just take a bolt or something and clean those out. Or actually, we can just use another Q-tip. I'm not too worried about it because they're the non-threaded side. If it gets in the threads, it may make it hard to get the bolts out later. Maybe it wouldn't be a bad thing. I'm going to do right on this edge all the way around. I'm going to make sure I get a nice coating butted right up against that edge. It's not pretty. And we'll get it all coated up on here, and then when we squeeze it together, we can get the excess off. The good thing is there's that lip, so hopefully very little will squeeze into the case. But once we get this coating on here, we'll just kind of level everything out so there's not a huge amount that should squish out. Alright, so we're pretty good. Doing this on camera it seems so much harder than doing it without the camera. Alright, I'll clean the holes out. It's really nice they got that ledge on there because that's going to save us. I really don't want to get any in the case. So. All that extra on there, and I'm taking a lot of it off, but kind of my method. It's kind of wasteful. But I spent quite a bit of time getting these leveled out, so I don't anticipate needing a whole lot of this sealant, but I don't want it to leak. I think we pretty much got it here. I wiped a little bit too much off over here. Get that ledge good all the way around. Yeah, I think we're good. Ugh. Sticky stuff. I'll get these out of here. a little bit in this hole here. We want it in the clutch shaft area because I'm going to put grease in there. Don't want it to be squeezed in there. But I do want that sealed. So, okay. I think we got everything as good as I'm going to get it. I'll get this put together, and I'll be a great day. Alright, got that back in there. And this is the clutch side. Okay. This goes like that. And hopefully this will slide together pretty easy. I should have tried this beforehand. I didn't anticipate that. Well, I will get this squeezed together and we'll come back. So, all right, guys. All right, so what I ended up doing here, I got it all squished together. What worked for me though was got a C-clamp and a little piece of wood and worked my way around squishing it together. Mostly was just I had another wood block here too, but anyway, so find a good spot on each area. First I just kind of did it in the middle and slowly squeezed it together and moved the shafts around. It took a while, and then worked my way all the way around and got it all tight, all squished together here. This is the point where gonna let it sit for a little bit. It's not completely squeezed together. In the way like the RTV works, you're supposed to put it on, get the surfaces put together, but then leave it sit for about an hour and then pop all the bolts in. So I will get that done off camera, and then we'll start the next step of getting the jug put on it. We'll actually put all the accessories on next, but that'll be another video. Just wanted to show you where I was at and how I got it put together with the sealant in there. So we'll hope for the best that this works. I'm going to do a vacuum test on it to make sure that we don't have any leaks. I'm not real sure how I'm going to do it yet, but I'll figure that out. I might have to wait until I get the jug on it completely. What I might do is maybe do like a leak test or something by putting some oil and alcohol in there or something. But all right, that's where we're at for right now. I will see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.